Let's learn how to hide friends on Facebook. So you maybe don't want to show your friend list to public, so you want to hide, or you want to have your profile look more professional and clear, or any other reason. It's okay. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can do that. Just follow my steps and you have no worries. So without wasting your time anymore, let us start now from your starting screen. Go to your Facebook app. Note that this method is same for both iOS and Android devices. When you open Facebook app, next step is to click on this menu button with your profile picture. This will lead you to a menu screen. Once you are there, scroll down a bit until you find Settings and Privacy option with gear icon. Click it, and it will expand you a list view with things. Tap on this first option that says Settings. Now this will lead you to New Settings and Privacy page. Once it loads, scroll down a bit until you find Audience and Visibility option section, and there you will choose this second option that says how people can find and contact you with human and little search icon. Now this page might seem a little confusing to you. It's not a big deal. Ignore this bunch of text and stuff and find this who can see your friends list option with question mark. Now select this blue world button that says Public, click it, and it will open you a pop-up with a list of few options you can choose. See what suits you the most. You can choose between 5 options. For the purpose of this video, I will select this last option that says Only Me, as it's the most private option you can get. So now your friends list will be hidden from everyone except you, and you are finished. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.